Welcome to JLB Track tutorials. Today's tutorial will provide a demonstration for the NCR screen and track. I will show you how to raise an NCR, fill in the relevant fields, and other key details pertaining to the NCR screen. The NCR screen is found under the main taskbar on the left-hand side of the screen and is used for all non-conformance reporting and tracking. When I click on NCR, a list of all open NCRs appears. The color varies between the NCRs to indicate how soon their due dates are. A black NCR indicates upcoming, green if scheduled within a month, and red if overdue. As I mentioned, these are all open NCRs, but let's say I want to revisit an NCR that was closed several months ago. I can then click on Show All in the top toolbar. All the NCRs ever recorded in Track appear, regardless of their status. This is so you never lose any data entered into Track, and NCRs can be reopened at a later date if need be. Next, let's try and create a new NCR. This is done by selecting New in the top toolbar. Important to note is that you can also create an NCR from the My Tasks and Actions taskbar. The reason for this is that when Track is first started up, this is the first screen that is shown. This encourages the recording of NCRs by staff and makes it easy to do so. So, upon selecting New, a new non-conformance report will appear. Many fields are shaded grey so that the person reporting the NCR need only enter the title, problem, and action taken if any has been. This function can be disabled in the admin section, however, if you would like everyone to be able to fill out all fields of an NCR. Let's try creating one quickly. The NCR can then be closed, saving when prompted. The default Reviewed and Amendments Made may be selected, or any other reason typed and saved, for example, initial entry, progress updated, action taken, and so on. Let's try initial entry. As you can see, the NCR now appears at the top of the list of NCRs. Now, on a regular basis, the management representative or other nominated manager should open new NCRs from the NCR report screen by selecting each NCR in turn and filling out the remaining fields. Let's try with the NCR that I just created. Advised by and registered will already have been completed. Target is where you can set a date for the NCR to be completed by. The Raise By field has my name entered already as I'm creating this NCR from my computer. Owner allows you to assign responsibility of the NCR to the respective staff member. When the nominated manager assigns an owner to the NCR, an automated email is sent to the new owner stating that they now have responsibility for that NCR. Origin dictates the type of NCR that this is, whether it is a client complaint, possible improvement, audit finding, and so on. Department, client, and facility are titles that we have created and tailored to our business. All drop-down fields can be edited and added to in the configuration area of Track, so they are catered to your own business. Also notable is that since now we are reviewing an NCR since it has first been recorded, a few more options are now available in the top toolbar of the NCR. Note the Convert to CAR option. If a manager believes the NCR is very significant or it has been raised a number of times before, he or she may elevate it to a CAR so that the root cause of the problem can be thoroughly investigated. To do so, select Convert to CAR, and all NCR information will automatically be populated in the new CAR. I'll be showing you how to do this in a later tutorial. The Links function is now also available. The Links function allows the user to attach links to NCRs when necessary. The documents or attachments must be saved to the same server in which the Track database is saved. Finally, the View function allows you to view when an NCR was created, and also when any changes have been made since. including who made the changes, exactly when this was done, and for what reason. What you saw that popped up just then in the email was me being assigned the NCR because I made myself the owner. NCRs can be updated as many times as need be, meaning discussion can be added to action taken, target date changed, even new owners assigned as the NCR is addressed. Once the NCR has been completed, whoever is designated in track security, most likely the same nominated manager with editing abilities, simply adds a date to date completed. If the person who raised the NCR is advised of the outcome, me, remember to tick the Raise by Advise box. You can finally save the finished NCR. This concludes the NCR Screen tutorial.